How to clean the water from the speaker on the iPhone. Have you ever had the problem that water gets into the speaker of your phone and that later disturbs the sound and the clarity of the same? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can solve it. Okay, to get rid of the water from the speaker, we have to download an application. This is the ClearWave application. You can download it for free from the App Store itself. You will also find a link to it in the description of the video. Once you have downloaded the application, open it. When you have opened the application, you have the option to clean the speaker, AirPods, or microphone. When you choose what you want to clean, choose the volume of the sound you want to play. You can start the predefined process or tap on the tone button where you can choose the shape of the tone you want to play, and on the scale below you can choose the frequency you want to play. When you set everything as you need, tap on the start button. When you think it's enough and that the microphone or speaker has been cleaned, tap the stop button to stop the sound. And that's all. In this way, you can clean the water from the speaker or microphone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.